Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope everyone's doing well. Gonna do some work on the 65 today. We've got some rims from CIP1, a lowered beam. We're gonna buff this thing, get rid of the roof rack, throw a couple accessory lights I had laying around. Let's see what we can do. Hey guys, well as you can see, a little bit of buff, a little bit of polish, throw some rims on a car. Got a solid investment here. I'm really liking the way this car turned out. Rims made a big difference. It almost like the rims just made the rust fade away. I don't know, what do you think, Josh? You like it?
Yeah.
Yeah, so we're pretty happy with it. Thanks for checking it out. Perfect cruising weather. My neighbor's dog even likes it, so we're gonna hop in this thing and we're gonna go for a cruise. So you guys have a great weekend. We'll see you soon. Take care, guys. Alright guys, I'm off for a cruise. First drive. Can't wait. Couldn't be happier with this car. What do you think, Josh? What do you think of that lowered beam?
I love it.
Yeah? Got anything for him? Thumbs up? Nothing? He's got nothing. He's got nothing.
Stay tuned.
Did he? Stay tuned. Now I got the other neighbor's dog bark. The heck with it.
I don't even really. You think they'll hear him in a video? Oh,
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope everyone's doing well. What do we have here today? It's a 67 Karmann Ghia. Yeah, it's pretty bad. What's crazy is this car was last inspected in 2000 in Massachusetts. Crazy, 20 years ago. Fit for the road. Hard to believe? It is. So what exactly are we doing with this Karmann Ghia? Well, a local gentleman bought this car and he's going to restore it. We're going to wash this thing, clay bar it if I have time, get it presentable, and we're going to deliver it to its new owner.
Going on, Jason?
Hey George, great news, man. This car is really coming together. Really.
Are you joking?
No, man, it's really coming together. I'm getting it all ready for you. I went ahead and had a company come out and spray the dash, the whole car. Completely killed all the ants. You're good to go there.
Are you being serious?
Yeah, you remember that issue we had with the headlight? I went ahead and I got the headlight buttoned up. It even works. Both headlights are working, so if you want to drive this... Yeah. No, I'm serious. I'm serious. So if you get here late and you got to drive it, you know, at night, you got two headlights.
You're funny.
So, I mean, this car was actually blue. I found the original paint.
Really?
Really. A lot of good things. I mean, last inspection was 2000, so you know this thing's road ready. I mean, how crazy is that? 2000?
Massachusetts. It did clean up nice though.
Yeah,
you did a nice job with it.
It's going, man. The velour interior, you know, I shampooed it with a leaf blower, so it's good.
Nice. I'm sure those ants are dead, huh?
Oh yeah, it's ready for your house.
I can't tell if you're being sarcastic or what.
So we're about done. That was it. This thing's ready for transport. Oh no. Did I tell him I would do the interior? All right, guys. Well, I'm gonna get this interior cleaned out so I can get this dropped off tomorrow. I won't bore you with that. And then we're gonna go for a cruise in one of the cars. So you guys have a great weekend. Thanks for dropping in. More updates on the Suzuki motor will be going in that. CR's not dead. If you're still hanging out with that thing, it's not dead. More updates on that soon. Selling cars, 40 cars, trying to get down to 12. So if you see anything in the herd you like, hit me up. I'll put my email in the description. I gotta get rid of some cars. We got 40 cars. So thanks for all the comments, likes, and support of the channel. I can't say thank you enough. We'll see you guys soon. Drop a comment below for George. Wish him luck. I wish I could get it to VW Nut for a buff and a clay bar, but we're out of time. So you guys have a great weekend. We'll see you soon. Take care, guys. So you can see this thing was originally a light blue color. Put some peeler on there. I don't have much left, but as I blow it all over the car. Take caution when using this stuff. Don't let that sit too long. You can see that starting to bubble up. That did a good job. Make sure you have your scraper handy. I didn't have my scraper handy, so we're just going to use this. Oh, look at that. Look at that original paint. Oh, that's awesome. Look at that. That's awesome. Now you want to put some water on there to neutralize that, but we don't have any. One small drip for mankind. Who doesn't love original paint, man? Get excited. Look at that. That's it. Stripping the whole car. Oh, that is smooth. That is so awesome. Oh, yeah. That's pretty cool.